Okay, we're going to continue on with some guided practice. And we have already done in the previous videos numbers 1 and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that work, but just leave the answers, okay, so that you can see what we have already done. So 0 and 7/10 with the bar notation over it. Okay, and then 2 and 83/100ths, but then it repeats, and they're both negative. So there we go. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. I have 1/33. So again, I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to bring my numerator in there, put my decimal point, add a few zeros. Not sure how many I need. I know that my answer is negative, so I'm going to put that negative right there quickly so that I have it. If I have 1, can I make a group of 33? Nope. If I have 10, can I make a group of 33? Nope. If I have 100, can I make a group of 33? Yes, I can. I can make 3 groups of 33, which gives me 99. Oops. Okay. And then when I subtract, I get 1. I bring the 0 down. Okay. If I have 10, can I make a group? Nope. So now I need to bring that other one down. If I have 100, can I make a group? Yes, I can. I can make a group of 3, which is 99. I bring the 1, bring that 0 down. Okay, are you seeing what's happening? The same thing is going to keep repeating. 0.030303 all the way through. So if it's negative, we're going to keep it as negative, and we're going to have it be negative 0.03 with the bar notation over that 0.3, because that is what is repeating itself. The 0 and the 3 is repeating itself. Okay? All right, let's take a look at number 14. Okay, 10/15. Positive? Yep, so we don't need to put that negative sign on top of it. So we're going to take that top number. Actually, when I look at this, I know that I can bring this down, right? And I'm going to see that, well, we haven't seen a 2-digit number up front, but that doesn't change anything. Okay, we're still going to divide. We're going to put that decimal point there, and we're going to walk through it. If I have 10, can I make a group of 15? Nope, I can't. If I have 100, can I make a group of 15? Yes, I can. So if I make 6, now I know some of you are like, how does she know this? Well, because you just kind of get to know these numbers. But I'm going to prove it over here. So 6 times 5 is 30, is 90, because 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so it's 90. Okay, there, just kind of showed you. When I subtract 100 from 90, I get 10. I'm going to bring that other 0 down, and I get 100. Well, that's where we started, but I know that I can make a group of 6, which is 90, which would leave me 10, and if I add another one, what am I noticing? It's going to keep repeating the 6. So 0.6 with a repeating, with a bar notation over it. Okay, I'm going to make some room here because we're going to do 4/5, negative 4/5, so I'm going to put a negative right there so it makes our life easier. So I have 4/5. To turn that 4/5 into a decimal, I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to drop some zeros, and then I'm going to directly bring that decimal point up, and I'm going to ignore it. So if I have 4, can I make a group of 5? Nope. If I have 40, can I make a group of 5? Yep, I can make 8 groups of 5. When I subtract, I get 0. Am I done? Yes. So this is a terminating decimal, meaning that I do not have to have a bar notation over it. So it is negative 0.8 or negative 8/10. Okay, taking a look at 1 and 5/9. So I know that I have a whole number of 1. Remember, it's just like what we did up here. I'm just going to take that whole number, and I'm going to put a decimal point right behind it. So my whole number is 1, and then I put a decimal point right behind it. Now let's just look at the fraction of 5/9. So I have 5/9. I'm just going to drop it down, and here we go. If I have 5, can I make a group of 9? Nope. If I have 50, can I make a group of 9? Yes, I can make 5 groups, which is 45. I'm going to subtract, that's 5. Bring down the 0. 50 again, which means I can make 5 groups, which is 45, which is 5, and now you see that it's going to keep repeating. So I already have my whole number in place right there. I have a 5 that is going to keep repeating, so I have my bar notation over that 5. Okay, let's take a look at this one. It says, Dana bought 2/3 yards of fabric to make a new purse. Write the amount of fabric she used as a decimal. So we're going to just take that numerator and we're going to divide it by that denominator. I'm going to put my decimal point here and I'm going to drop down. Okay. If I have 2, can I make a group of 3? Nope. If I have 20, can I make a group of 3? Yes, I can make 6 groups. Oh goodness, my thing's not working out. There we go. There we go. 6 groups, which is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. I'm going to bring down that next 0. If I have 20, how many groups of 3 can I make? 6. So that gives me 18. I bring down. Notice it keeps repeating. Therefore, it is 0.6. Write the amount of fabric, yards of fabric she will need. Okay, so there are some example problems for you, some more that we did on the guided practice part. So all it is just dividing when you're taking that fraction and turning it into a decimal, just taking that numerator and dividing it by your denominator, putting that decimal point on there. Again, a line, a bar notation above any digits that repeat themselves.